Once you receive your order, lay out everything in front of you. The only tools you'll need for installation are a 10mm socket with extension, a 10mm wrench, and a 5 and 6mm hex wrench. Using your 6mm hex wrench, begin by removing the upper mounting bolt from the foot peg. Now with your 10mm socket, go underneath and remove the seat mounting bolts shown here. Using the same socket, remove the 2 bolts that are in between the blinker locations. Now remove the seat and remove the 2 bolts shown here and here. You can now slightly lift the rear plastics to get access to the subframe mounting bolts. Using your 10mm open-end wrench, remove the subframe mounting bolts. Now take your side rack and align as shown. Beginning with the foot peg mounting location, insert the larger M8 bolt and tighten by hand. Now prepare your upper mounting location hardware. Align the upper mount and insert the M6 bolt with washer and collar. Once the threads are coming through, you'll need to slide on the remaining smaller washer over the top. This acts as a spacer between the rack's mounting post and subframe. Now that everything is aligned, you can tighten it down. There will be a pair of washers and nylock nuts remaining from your hardware kit. These will be used on the exposed thread shown here and will help prevent any chance of the hardware backing out due to excessive trail riding. Gently lift the rear plastics to gain better access to the bolt. Slide on the washer, then fasten the lock nut with your socket wrench. Make sure that the hardware for the rear mounting location is as follows: lock nut, washer, subframe, thicker washer, the rack mount itself, washer, and finally the socket cap bolt. Now that the installation is complete, be sure to go back and secure all of your hardware. Please let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching.